Welcome to Taraba News, the voice of Tarabans. The headline: Commissioner of Environment and Climate Change sympathizes with victims of Takum windstorm. The Honorable Commissioner of Environment and Climate Change, Honorable Aisha Barde, has sympathized with victims of Takum windstorm, which destroyed properties worth millions of naira. She emphasized the opportunity within that tragic event, urging Tarabans to reinforce their commitment to safeguarding their community. She stressed the urgency for proactive measures to prevent future disasters. The commissioner said planting of trees stands as a beacon of hope against such calamities, fostering stability in our ecosystems and shielding communities from such natural disaster. In conclusion, Honorable Barde registered her sincere sympathy to the entire people of Takum and especially the affected families.